When a roof emergency strikes, you don't have time to waste. Whether it's storm damage, unexpected leaks, or sudden wear that puts your home at risk, you need answers quickly. That's where getting an emergency roof repair quote Boise homeowners can depend on makes all the difference. A fast, reliable quote ensures you know exactly what needs to be done and how much it will cost before more damage sets in. Too often, people wait until small issues become major problems. But when water starts seeping in, every minute counts. That's why having access to a fast roof quote Boise residents trust is so important. With a quick and professional estimate, you can make informed decisions and protect your home from escalating repairs that could cost far more in the long run. Of course, cost matters. Every homeowner wants quality work at a fair rate, but securing an affordable roofing quote Boise families can rely on, you'll know you're not overpaying while still getting professional service. Affordable doesn't mean cutting corners. It means balancing value, craftsmanship, and long-term peace of mind. Understanding the roof repair price Boise homeowners should expect helps you compare options wisely. A trustworthy quote gives you transparency, so you'll never be caught off guard by hidden costs. And whether it's a sudden emergency or planned maintenance, the right roof repair quote Boise should give you confidence that the job will be handled promptly and professionally. Your roof isn't just another part of your home. It's your first line of defense against the elements. When it's compromised, fast action is the only smart move. Boise homeowners know that the right repair quote isn't just about numbers. It's about trust, protection, and lasting solutions. If you need roof help now, call us today at 208-330-7203 or visit allprosroofingboise.com for a fast quote.